Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Spox in depth. First, the definition. Spox means an informal term for a spokesperson or public communicator. Think of it simply as someone who speaks on behalf of a group or organization in public. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Spox traces back to Spox originating as a clipped form of spokesman or spokesperson in modern media contexts. Over time, it's been used by media professionals and organizations. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use Spox in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The Spox announced the company's new environmental initiative during the press conference. Correct example 2. Our local Spox clarified the event details for the attendees. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Spox my sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Spox correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Spox means an informal term for a spokesperson or public communicator. It comes from a clipped form of spokesman or spokesperson, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Spox down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.